Want to invest in US ETFs but don't know how to start? We got you. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your US ETF account on the EduFund and start saving in dollars. To start with, open the EduFund app and click on your name at the top. Then select US Market Account Setup to get started, and don't forget to read all the information regarding the setup carefully. Once done, press on Continue and start filling out the listed details on your screen. After this step, upload your PAN card, select the document for address proof and proceed to upload it. Once you complete this step, fill out the personal information section for account creation. And lastly, after filling out all the information and agreeing to the given terms and conditions, press on the Create Investment Account and leave the rest to us. Once your documents are verified and approved, you can start your investing journey on the EduFund app.